Hello guys, today I'm gonna show how to replace the F150 2.7 liter EcoBoost Serpentine belt. If your truck getting all the mileages over 10,000 miles or make a squealing noise and crack the belt, it's time to replace the Serpentine belt. There's two idler location right here and also one belt tensioner right there. Doesn't need any special tool, 15mm socket and a 7-inch around extensioner and a long ratchets over 10-inch long. It doesn't matter 3/8 half inch. I'm using the 3/8 ratchet and then an extension and a socket. Once they attach the tensioner to the socket, 15mm, and then release the tension, and I'm gonna remove this belt. Attach a 15mm socket and ratchet and rotate clockwise tensioner as a kind of push it down and the tensioner and release the tension and remove belt from the top of idler. Remove belt from the idler much easier, doesn't have a groove much higher, and then remove all the rest of the belt and then take it out from the engine. Using the both hands is much help. I have hold the one my cell phone camera, so I using my one hand. This is take a hard to remove this now. Now it's time to install new belt. Allow to serpentine long belt along the each pulley and bearing. So carefully using the two hands, alternator, AC compressor, and also water pump and idler and tensioner. You guys refer I attached the picture and a belt route and the driver belt 2.7 liter picture and then a route all of group and a belt idler and even belt tensioner. I put the serpentine belt, we call the drive belt, put on the all water pump, idler, tensioner, AC compressor, even alternator and crank pulley, except one downside idler. Just put on the bolt. I attached my 15mm socket and ratchet again to the tensioner bolt, and I rotate clockwise and then push it down and then release the tension. And I put it back to the last of idler. That is not that hard. Just using the 10-inch long and I push down, release tensioner, and then other hands, and I install the belt, and then put on the idler. That's all. That's easy. I usually double check all belts, put on the properly each pulley grooves, and I make sure everything is good, and I remove tool. And also I strongly recommend crank pulley rotate at least one revolution, and then for the proper installation. All looks good. Belt is on all pulleys and either a tensioner and the engine running, and then you guys one more check. Everything is good, nothing problem, and then normal noise and scaling, nothing else. Thanks for watching.